Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare how to make banana bread or cake. Start by checking banana ripeness and preheating the oven to 350 degrees F. Then separate dry and wet ingredients and measure carefully. Use room temperature butter and eggs for even mixing and fold gently to maintain texture. Watch batter consistency to decide loaf or pan size, and always test doneness with a toothpick for best results. In this video, I will compare how to make banana bread or cake. List ingredients clearly and measure precisely to control texture and flavor differences. For banana bread, rely on mashed bananas and modest sugar to keep moist crumb. For cake, cream butter and sugar for a lighter structure, and consider adding milk for tenderness. Small adjustments in leavening change crumb, so tweak amounts and test with a toothpick for reliable results every bake. In this video, I will compare how to make banana bread or cake. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth pairs oddly well with baking breaks. It gives calm perspective when waiting for a loaf to cool. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare how to make banana bread or cake. Focus on technique. Mash bananas but leave small chunks for interest, and fold mixes gently to keep air. Creaming properly for cakes traps bubbles that create lift, while careful mixing in breads preserves moisture. Monitor oven temperature and avoid overbaking by using a toothpick test, and allow cooling slightly to set crumb before slicing for cleaner pieces and better flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.